but it doesn't mean Valley residents will get a chance to get their first dose just yet. Channel 5's Rudy Mireles explains.
Almost 15,000 initial doses of COVID-19 vaccine are earmarked for the Valley, 3,000 for Valley Baptist Medical Center in Harlingen.
We literally have our distribution stations already set up and ready, and we're doing walkthroughs and making sure that we're planned and ready so that as soon as these vaccines hit our shipping dock, we are ready to disseminate.
But if you don't punch a time card at Valley Baptist, you'll have to wait.
Right now, we've been given instruction that with this vaccine initial round that we will be receiving, that we are to fall directly within the state-defined Tier 1 category.
The first doses destined for front lines around the state.
They're going to be vaccinating their own staff that are working directly with COVID patients, anyone that's working in their kitchen, their custodians, so all of that support staff that have higher risk due to their occupation is what they are going to be targeting, and it's not open to the general public.
In Mexico, almost 35 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine also expected next week, but U.S.-Mexican relations have them looking for a backup. That country also awaiting 32 million of Russia's vaccine and signing a new deal with China for another 35 million. But experts point to issues with both. Russia's has yet to finish all phases of trials, and China's ability to control COVID-19 early made for poor trial conditions. With the Valley's high rates of uninsured residents, nearly double the state average, crossing the border for a vaccine may cause issues, something the state's task force of border health officials started discussing this week.
We're putting a request together to go to Dr. Hellerstadt to make sure that they do take that into consideration.
Pro added the request to the DSHS commissioner will look at what they can do for kids enrolled in school on this side of the border, but living in Mexico. Those children are more likely to receive the required vaccinations while on this side. In the Brownsville Bureau, Rudy Mireles, Channel 5 News at 6.
And here's your marine forecast for tomorrow. We'll have winds into the southwest, even west.